Okay, hi. So last week we did this project and I thought about mushrooms. So I decided for this week's project I would find an image that looked like this to work with. So this is the original image and I'm showing it so that we can see, or you can see the difference from the work that I do. I do like to cover up my artwork so that it's not too crowded because we had like five or six art boards that are open. So the first one is my hue and my saturation, and the way I did that is I went through the button here, and then I went through hue and saturation, and I played with it, and I got this color here, and then I did add my text of what I did here. The next one is The next artboard is artboard 4. This is the gradients. I did use the eyedropper tool so I can get this color so that I can ombre through it so that it looks kind of nice. I did crop it a little bit so that way it's not so the bottom, it wouldn't have that white space in between because I didn't want to distort the image too much. So I cropped it a little bit and had a nicer angle. So that is the gradients. I did go again here and then use gradient over there. The next one that I did is artboard number 5. This is my black and white. And again, I went over here and then I used black and white. After that, where I have artboard 6. For this one, I did a lot with it because I played with, first I balanced out the color because the color here is kind of very light and just not as vibrant as I'd like it to be for the original image. So over here, I balanced out the color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off all of this so that we can see what I did. So this is the image over here. And I made a nice vibration so the color is more much vibrant. That's what it looks like with the vibrance turned on over here. And then I added a filter. This gives this little greenish color. And I did the color balance, which added a little bit more of the pink back into it. And then I inverted that image. Notice that it's black because this image is inverted. And when I turned it back on, it came back to white. And then the colors here inverted. So I like this. I thought it looked like the ocean and it reminded me of shells a little bit. So I thought I would add it. After that, so that was for the assignment of do which one you would want. So now my original, the one that I picked for my graphics, is all the way at the beginning. I did end up using the last one that I made, and this is how that came out. It is this color, this background color. I think I got in one of these pieces of that mushroom, and I kind of edited it a little bit, and then I got this color, and it was really cool. And I just put the words mushroom aesthetics and the background image here is from that last one that I did. So if I want to cover that layer, that's my background color. It's back to white, and then this is the image behind it. All right, that's everything that I did. We have artboard 1, 2. Artboard 2, I only included it so we can compare and to see what the original image looked like. So I did artboard 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 with the same image. And I really like the way this one came out. So I'm very happy with this one. All right. One more thing before I go. For last week's projects from the video, you showed us how to do the ombre using 2 different colors, and I did have that here. I didn't do it in the other, this week's project for the gradients right here, but last week's projects did have it. I have the green on top, and I ombreed it to the mauve or whatever color that is. So I just wanted to show you that I did do that.